Hi, this is Mrs. Anderson Brown, and I teach the ACT Prep for credit during the school day. I want you to know that to be successful on the ACT test, you will need to be like a Swiss Army knife, wear many hats, and own a coat of many colors so that you can be a jack of all trades. Well, what I'm trying to say is that the ACT Prep course will teach you skills to help you become more versatile in the 4 content areas of the test. You see, the test is a comprehensive, critical thinking test that covers a multitude of topics from high school English, math, reading, and science classes. It's sort of like an EOC test on steroids. Test takers can't predict what will be on the test, but they can prepare for the test. Since it is a college admission test, the ACT test is a gateway to other post-secondary opportunities. College admissions officers, scholarship committee members, and placement counselors will use your test scores as one of the ways to predict your success at the collegiate level. So the ACT course here at Lee Summit High School is designed to help you raise your test scores, which will improve your chances of getting into your desired school, maybe obtaining scholarships, or even being placed in your desired classes. But the ACT Prep course is more than just taking a multitude of tests, waiting for the results, and hoping for the best outcomes. The course is structured to engage you in lessons built around typical ACT subject content. Each month you will review essential pieces of high school curriculum from one of the 4 subject areas that is normally found on a given ACT test. You'll set performance goals, take practice tests to get comfortable with taking the test, and analyze your score. And along the way, you'll research colleges and universities that interest you, research the salaries of jobs that depend on a college degree, and learn test-taking strategies and those that are designed especially for improving your score on the ACT test. So juniors, seniors, and some sophomores, if you want to learn what it takes to practice skills used on the ACT test, learn tips on how to take the test, monitor and increase your composite ACT test score, and put yourself in a competitive position for college admissions and scholarships, then sign up to take the ACT Prep course. All you have to do is just circle the course name on your course request form during our enrollment period. Oh, and did I mention that this is a free course? Similar review courses like this that you purchase can run from a couple of $100 to a couple of $1,000 to take. So it goes without saying, the ACT Prep course is a very cost-effective way to help you advance to college and obtain that degree that will boost your lifelong earning potential. See you next year. Thanks.